Hi everyone. Today we're going to be doing how to make the fireworks. So this is the final code and I'm going to show you what it looks like with this code. So it looks like that. So we're going to be showing you how to do these fireworks. So we start with a wait, pick random, 3 to 5 seconds. We chose random because if it wasn't random, let's say just wait 3 seconds for all of the launches, they're all going to shoot at the same time, which is what we don't want. So we choose random. Then we have this forever loop. So it's just going to keep going and going and going until this is pressed. Now this one is called start 1 because fire 1 is called set start. So we're going to set start 1 to false. Then we're going to set X, which means for the X position. If it stays at one place the entire time, it's not going to really be like fireworks, because fireworks, they don't shoot at the same place. Then we're going to go to X or pick random 150 to 150. And then we're going to make it show. And then we want to point in direction 0. So this is 0. It's gonna turn from 90 degrees, which is the original usually. It's gonna turn itself to 0 or just straight up and down. This is the glide of pick random 0.5 to 1. So we have to do these 3 blocks in the glide. We want to pick it random because fireworks, sometimes they shoot fast, sometimes they shoot slow. Just make sure it's not too fast or not too slow. We're going to put that in the glide, the seconds part. Then for the X, we're going to go to X. So that way it stays the same. And Y, we need to go to 0 to 100. Pick random. But don't make it way too high that you can't see it either. Then we want it to hide. Now the hiding is for a reason, because we have to repeat like 40 to 80 times. That's how much I did it. You can choose whatever you want for the pick randoms. So it's going to create a clone of itself. We're going to come to when I start as a clone later. We only have 2 blocks left. And we set the start to true. So the start is kind of like a flag. If we didn't have this flag, it's just going to shoot one at a time, which is not how fireworks do it. Then we want to wait, pick random 3 to 5, just like the beginning. Now back to the when I start as a clone. So when it repeats the clones, each single clone does this. So fireworks are usually colorful. So we have to change the color effect from 1 to 100. Point in direction. So the clones, they'll either go up and down, side to side, diagonally. So that way the fireworks explode. When they shoot, there's a circle around where they shot it. We want to wait until start equals true. And remember, each single clone gets the same code. But since each clone is made differently at like a little bit of different times, they're gonna shoot, as I said earlier, by themselves. So we have to make the start 1 equals true. Then it's gonna show, and then we have to repeat. I chose 10 to 30 times. So it's gonna move random 2 to 3. 2 is slower than 3. Then we have to delete this clone. And you can copy this. So at the end, it's gonna look like this. Blanket first, and they start shooting, and then it starts shooting fireworks. There you have it. That's the fireworks. Bye.